how to handle a man that his joystick is not standing very well. He will satisfy you and satisfy himself. Hi everyone, welcome into another juicy class. A lot of men are having these challenges of erectile problem, dysfunction, dysfunction. A lot of men cannot stand up unless, you do what you're supposed to do as a woman. And here are things that you need to do in order to make his thing stand up so that he can be able to satisfy you and satisfy himself. Number one is, as a woman, when you want to knock, go to him straightly. Bring out his joystick. It's your husband. Then start to Romanus. Do what is called deep throat. Yeah. BJ. Give him that BJ very well. Okay? Then when you give him that BJ very well, you will see that you are trying to rise his feelings. Yeah. You are trying to make him to be in that same page with you. The next thing you will do, the second thing you will do is make sure that you touch the ring. There is a ring there, round. Okay? There is a ring there. Make sure that you gradually touch the ring. Okay? Then you gradually touch the ring. You are trying to make him to be in that mode with you, in that same page with you. Okay? Yeah. Number 3 you should do is make sure that you are playing very well with his mangoes. The two mangoes. Okay? His as in his industrial milk. Yes. The two industrial milk, the antenna. Make sure that you play with it very well. If you can chop it, you chop it. You know what I mean? If you can lick it like sweet, you lick it. Yeah. If you can chop it, you chop it. If you can, moving it like this, you move it this way, okay? Remember to have gel, all right? Good. The next thing that you need to do is, before I continue, please, I would like you to share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. If you are my regular viewer, thank you and God bless you. Keep on coming. Here, we do talk about family solution and relationship matters. Number 3 things that you need to do in order to make him come and knock you and be in the same page with you is, when you see number 4 is apply gel. Yes. This applying of gel is not at the beginning. No. This is when you have seen that it has come up a bit, but it's not too strong like that. It has come up. Then you apply this gel, Becus gel. When you apply the gel, you as a woman, you can use your hand and start knocking him. Yes, men love it so much. Bye for now.